Have you ever pondered on the significance of empowering underprivileged female students in the realm of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics? It's a question that prompts us to consider the potential untapped brilliance and innovation that can be harnessed from this demographic. One company that has recognized this potential and taken a step towards harnessing it is Technip Energies India. As part of their corporate social responsibility, they have launched the Technip Energies India Scholarship Program for the academic year 2023 to 2024. This initiative is targeted specifically towards underprivileged female students embarking on their journey in STEM fields. The scholarship is open to first-year students enrolled in BE or B.Tech courses in chemical, electrical, civil, and mechanical engineering. But who exactly is eligible for this scholarship? This opportunity is extended to female students from Delhi NCR, including Ghaziabad, Noida, Gurugram, Faridabad, as well as those from Bihar, Assam, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. It's a truly inclusive program, reaching out to a broad spectrum of the country. The Technip Energies India Scholarship Program offers a one-time grant of 30,000 Indian rupees. This financial aid is designed to cover academic expenses, lightening the financial burden and allowing the students to focus on their studies. How does one avail this scholarship? The process is straightforward. Students simply need to apply to the program, providing proof of their enrollment in a qualifying course and demonstrating their financial need. The selection will be merit-based, ensuring that those with the greatest potential are given the opportunity to shine. In summary, the Technip Energies India Scholarship Program is an initiative that embodies the company's commitment to social responsibility. It targets underprivileged female students in STEM, offering them financial support in their academic journey. The program is open to students from several regions across India, providing a one-time grant to cover academic expenses. It's an opportunity that holds the potential to not only change lives, but also shape the future of STEM in India. The power of education is indisputable, and when combined with the right support, it holds the key to unlocking a world of opportunities. The Technip Energies India Scholarship Program is a testament to that, paving the way for a brighter future for underprivileged female students in STEM.